This is how to register for a TOEFL IBT test on the TOEFL website. Once you have your ETS account, sign in with your username and password and click Register for a test. If you have a disability or health-related need and will require testing accommodations, be sure to apply for and obtain approval before you register for a test. To continue, select TOEFL IBT at a test center or Home Edition. The Home Edition option will appear here if it is available in the country listed in your account. For testing at a test center, enter your preferred testing location. Choose the 2-month period when you would like to take the test, and then click Search. You may select any date from the calendar that shows available seats. Choose a location, and then select View Available Test Times for that location. Choose an appointment time that suits you, and click it to continue. To register for the Home Edition, first verify your email address. Then confirm your time zone or select a new one. Choose the 2-month period when you would like to take the test, then click Search. Select an available test date from the calendar, and click an appointment time to continue. The next page asks you to fill out your identification information. Make sure to use an ID that is valid for the location where you are testing. Then scroll down and review the personal information you entered when you created your account. If your contact information has changed, you can update it. Next, you can sign up for the TOEFL search service if you did not do so already. This free service allows universities to send you information about programs, scholarships, fellowships, and other educational opportunities that you might not know about. Choose Yes or No, and then Continue. The Background Information page asks you questions about your goals, which you can answer or update here. If your plans change, you can update this information in your account later. Enter the information and click Continue. On the Free Score Recipients page, you can choose up to 4 institutions to receive your test scores as part of your test fee. Use the search box and select the institution you're looking for from the list. Once selected, click the Add button. Continue adding score recipients up to the maximum number. Then choose how you would like to receive your own score report and click Continue. Review your personal information, test registration date, time, and location, your ID information, and your score recipients. Then acknowledge the terms and conditions and click Continue. On the next page, you can shop for official test prep, including practice tests, guides, courses, and more. The resources available here are the best way to get yourself ready for test day. Review your shopping cart and enter any promotion or voucher codes you may have. Agree to the terms and conditions, and choose Proceed to Payment. Select your payment method from the available options. Enter the required payment information and then click Process Payment. You may be given the option to select a different currency. Then complete your payment. Once your payment is verified, you will receive a confirmation email with your test information. That's it. You can return to your account homepage anytime to see your upcoming test dates, access test prep, view your scores, and order score reports. Good luck on your TOEFL IBT test.